Our team, comprising of Manish Lachwani, an ex-Googler, and Brian Colwell, an ex-Palantir technocrat, and several others have together built the world's first and biggest distributed mobile device test farm, over which the developers can remotely access real phones over local SIM cards through internet, and from the chair of their office actually run all their testing scripts as well as manually control these phones and see how their apps perform over 2G, 3G and 4G networks. This farm is spread across 125 global cities. HeadSpin is funded by Google Ventures and Nexus Venture Partners and several other top-tier investors. Our product allows people to actually remotely access these real phones that we have placed in all these 125 cities on their screen from the comfort of their office chair and see how the app performs. Not just that, after the test session is done, our intelligent UI dashboard lets them see what were the problematic areas in the app's performance. Additionally, our machine learning layer says what all improvements are needed and how the user can change the development programmer's parameters in the app. Actually, if you see, a lot of billion-dollar companies that make large-scale apps often still face the user experience errors, which means when suddenly while using the app just throws a pop-up saying, "Oops, unfortunately the app has crashed," and there are only two options, OK or report. So there's not much you can do about it. We thought, why don't we give the developers the most real experience of testing? And there can be nothing more real than actually having phones in different countries, different cities on real 2G, 3G and 4G SIM cards so that they get to test the way a real user experiences the app. We have thousands of developers already using HeadSpin, right from the sectors like private banking, e-commerce players, audio and video streaming apps, gaming apps, as well as taxi hailing apps. Also, we are working with mobile manufacturers and mobile test agencies and service integrators who are all becoming our partners to provide this platform towards all their end users and stakeholders. GenNext Hub has been a great channel to learn from India's largest private sector enterprise and also the entrepreneurial spirit of Reliance, which is well known. Actually, as a result of the program, towards the end, we are signing a large strategic partnership with GenNext Hub and Reliance Jio to set up a 500+ mobile device test farm, which will be India's largest and one such single location lab that is India-centric, which will be open to global developers, including US Silicon Valley players as well as India's own developers, and hence partnering with India's largest 4G telco network, who is also into selling phones and has its own app ecosystem, is like a dream come true for us. So we are very happy with the association. Not just that, beyond that, we were also introduced to several other ecosystem players of Reliance who could potentially become our customers.